Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're doing the first of the Easter model collection. This year's Easter models. Anyways, happy Easter. Happy Easter 2023. This is a third or fourth year in a row we've been doing this. So I'm super excited to get this started. One thing before we start though, I am doing that Christmas kind of birthday haul. I'm not gonna do it all in like one sitting. I'm gonna disperse those videos over the year. So instead we're gonna do these two videos and then we're gonna do some airport updates and sprinkle some stuff in there. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I have two models. This is the first of, I believe, 4 or 5. And all right, let's go ahead and get these out of the box. Break the bubble wrap open. And here they are. We are adding 2 new wide bodies, 2 new British wide bodies to the collection. For this video, we're gonna do the 787-9, and then for next video, we're gonna do the Virgin Atlantic A330neo. And so that was the first of this order. We have other ones that are coming, hopefully soon. And so those will be coming hopefully by the end of the month or by next week. Hopefully I'll have them. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. Here is the front of the box. This is the British Airways Boeing 787-8. Sorry, not the -9. This is my first British Airways model. It's also my first 787-8. Let's go ahead and do the side. There's the back. Here's the flap. And then there's the model. Let's go ahead and break this open. This is a 22 release. Like I said, it's also my first 788 and my first British Airways. Open. And here it is. Here's a 787-8. This is quite a beautiful model. I'm not gonna lie. I really like it. One thing, I believe these ones have rolling gears rather. Yeah, it does. So the 787-8 has rolling gears rather than the stationary ones like the -9. And of course, like I said, this is my first British Airways, which is also exciting for the airport. So now we'll have one of the big overseas carriers here. Here's the other side of the plane. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this model. It's the Rolls-Royce motors on this one. And I guess just to do a size comparison for you guys, here is my KLM 787-9 compared to the British Airways 787-8. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Easter once again. I'll see you guys next week for the next Easter model. And this is Easter 2023 part 1. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.